Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking that your Poco M6 Pro 5G has a compatible MIUI build, because always on display depends on firmware. Once done, enable developer options by tapping MIUI build 7 or 8 times in About Phone. This unlocks hidden settings. Make sure battery saver is off, then look in lock screen and password for an always on display toggle. If it appears, enable it now. If not, proceed to the workaround steps, which modify display and lock screen behavior. You'll implement the only reliable method, a supported always-on-display app plus permission tweaks. First, install an AOD app known to run under MIUI restrictions. Next, grant display over other apps, lock screen access, and auto-start in app settings. These let the app show while locked. Then open developer options and enable stay awake while charging or adjust screen timeout to a low value, so the app draws minimal power but remains visible. This combination creates a functional AOD experience. You finish by customizing the AOD app. Set brightness, clock style, and an appropriate schedule so it conserves battery. Once configured, lock the phone and wait 30 to 60 seconds to confirm the display appears correctly. Make sure notifications show as expected. If the AOD fails to appear, revoke the app's special permissions, reboot the phone, then regrant them. This often resolves MIUI permission conflicts. If problems persist, toggle battery optimization off for the app to prevent the system from killing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.